Hi, in this video I will show you how to generate a meal plan on a ZOREST AI diet app. From my personal experience, the best way to do that is tap on the meal plan on the app main page, then scroll the day for tomorrow and tap generate plan. Now we need to wait around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and there we have our plan. We can check breakfast, dinner, and there you have your macros. And this is how you generate your meal plan on a ZOREST AI app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.